Here's today's special offering. Stay tuned to find out how much you can buy it now for. Hi friends, here's another buy it now. This time it's Build-A-Bear. We have a great assortment of Build-A-Bear. Some of them are dressed, some of them are not. Some of them have accessories like that little guy with the glasses on. This one here, the pony is adorable. You've got an Easter bunny, a little puppy dog. It's all different ones. I'm going to go through and show you what we've got. This is going to be a buy it now. So the first one is, you can see it's Build-A-Bear. It's Nickelodeon. Very cute. Excellent condition. I'm not sure who he is, but he's adorable. This is a cute little girl with the eyelashes and the pink nose. She doesn't have any clothes on, but she is in perfect condition. There's her Build-A-Bear tag. These Build-A-Bear, a lot of them are shelf pulls, which means when Build-A-Bear stops selling a certain one, they don't discount it. They will sell it off in bulk to pallet buyers. This one's all dressed up with a little purse. She's adorable. So cute. Little skirt. Again, there's the Build-A-Bear workshop. She's absolutely adorable. This one has a set of pajamas on. Too cool. And it talks. Some of them have little mechanisms in them. And as you can see, like the others, there's the Build-A-Bear tag. Very cute. With the embroidered eyes. Some of them have embroidered eyes, and some of them have button eyes, like this guy. This little girl, she's a pooch. She's a little doggy with the tail. And let's see, there she is with the Build-A-Bear tag. Very cute, adorable little dog. Next, this would be perfect in an eBay store if you listed cool sister, big sister, little sister. Oops. With the denim hat, the denim pants. Another really cute one. This is a bunny. She's not dressed, but we do sell clothes. I have clothes from time to time. In the eBay, in the auction. My auction's not eBay. Anyways, okay. Next we have this horse. I did give it a quick little fluffing before I showed it. Little girls love horses, so this should be a quick sell for anybody who likes to sell plush. This one is adorable. This is a llama. Very, very cute. Llamas are trending right now. Teenagers, and for some reason, they're loving llamas. Don't know why. Or alpaca. Another really cute little one. This guy's all decked out. He's a monkey. Monkeys have great followings. He's got a hoodie, the Redskins. He has sneakers on, cargo shorts, cargo pants. He's in excellent condition. And yeah, such a cute little monkey. And next we have this professional. Look at him, whoop, with glasses on. He's so cute. He has high top sneakers, a vest, a tie, and he's a teddy bear. And another really cutie. And the last one in this bundle is an army guy. It says USA. He's got his army fatigues. He's got his work boots. And I'll show you his little face. Is adorable. There he is. So darling. So just to preview, this is what you get in this bundle. I'll go through them one more time. And you can see exactly what you get. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is the horse. All right, folks, Build-A-Bear. This is going to be a buy it now. You get 12 Build-A-Bears. They're all in excellent condition. This is something that I'm going to be doing perhaps once a day. So you definitely want to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted. These are going to be special value of the day. It's going to be shipped. The price includes shipping. And wait for an invoice. You must be registered in order to be able to put sold in the comments, which is how you will win this. First person to write sold in the comments will be awarded this lot. And these 12 Build-A-Bears will be sold today for a special price of $125. $125 for 12 Build-A-Bear. Special price for today only. First person to write sold in the comments will be invoiced. This is a buy it now, not an auction item. And like I said, I'll be doing this more often. So please stay tuned. Watch for future buy it nows on my channel. I'll be featuring plush, jewelry, cosmetics, clothing, collectibles, keychains, old photos, vintage items, and last but not least, the Dibble Box, which we'll be doing a Dibble Box soon. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. and looking forward to sending this bundle to their new home. And it's almost fourth quarter, so you guys get your listings up on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, whatever your selling platforms are. And good luck. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. And there you have it, folks. 12 Build-A-Bears for $125. First person to write sold will receive these 12 Build-A-Bears. Please make the comment down in the comment section. You must be registered to the channel in order to qualify for this daily special. Stay tuned for additional daily specials for best offers, in addition to our auctions that we have on the channel. Please be sure to hit the bell icon, and thank you so much, and congratulations to the winner.